country artists and their fans. It's a relationship you don't find anywhere else in music. We have a place where you can experience your favorite country artists and the rising stars of Nashville like you never have before. Welcome to WOKQ Sessions, produced by Newburyport 5 Cent Savings Bank. Live, intimate, up-close performances in the heart of your favorite Seacoast radio station.
I'm super excited to announce this is my first single to country radio. Hope you guys like it. This one's called How Does It Sound? How does it sound when I cross your mind away? Thinking about us on a Friday night? Are we blacktop burning, spinning the tires? Are we slow dancing to a vinyl rigging, to a mixtape, a cover band playing on Broadway? Is it quiet in the background, or is it turned up loud? Do you hear that rain on the roof of an F-150? Sitting up high looking out on the city, me and you building down something ice cold. While we're heating it up, is it a little John Straight or a little more Tim McGraw? Don't matter to me, girl, I like it all. When you think about me and you falling in love like we are right now. How does it sound if we do something crazy? Ditch the crowd, get all alone, baby. Make some noise, make a sound check. Close your eyes, girl. Do you hear that rain on the roof of an F-150? Sitting up high, looking out on the city, me and you building down something ice cold. While we're heating it up, is it a little Jump Straight or a little more Tim McGraw? Don't matter to me, girl, I like it all. When you think about me and you falling in love like we are right now. How does it sound? And I'll be singing along. How does it sound? I wanna hear you play on all night long. Do you hear that rain on the roof of an F-150? Sitting up high looking out on the city, me and you building down something ice cold. While we're heating it up, is in a little John Straight, little more Tim McGraw. Don't matter to me, girl, I like it all. When you think about me and you falling in love like we are right now. How does it sound? How does it sound? How does it sound? How does it sound? Thank y'all.